Hello guys, and today I'll show you how to break bedrock in 1.18. So let's go. So first you probably want to get on top of the roof. See another, want to build another hub. So you'll need to find the bedrock that is 127 wide, and then put the ladders there and take them across and throw them. It works for me when I do it here. You might want to have more enterprise than one, because it might not work for you the best. But that's basically how you get on top. But now you have to uh, break the bedrock. So what you'll need is two piston, two TNT, one lever, two obsidian, and one obtractor. Also, I would recommend taking more TNT, levers, and pistons. And I will forget where it was, so let's say we do it here. You want to build your setup you want to build is like this: two obsidian, then lever on one of those, no, and then TNT here. Here you put a tractor. It should be a blue tractor if I remember correctly. Now you just all you need to do is click the lever, get on the trapdoor and start spamming. And this then go right. When it goes right, the piston after you place it will end up like this, and it glitches the piston. I'm just gonna pick 40 and take that. As you can see, it didn't work for me on the first try. You just have to spam and hopefully it will work. So again. Something that helped me do it is changing the control to from left right button on the mouse to left focus and to D. Now all you need to do is the same, except you don't right click but it's something. And now it works. And it didn't break it. And now as you can see it will because I chose the right spot. But basically this is how you break a bedrock. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya!